Welcome to a journey through the 7 aura layers. Today, we'll explore powerful affirmations designed to bring healing, balance, and renewal to each of these energetic layers. As you listen, take a deep breath, relax, and feel each affirmation as it gently restores harmony within. Let's begin with the first layer, the physical layer. This layer is closest to the body, connecting with our physical well-being and vitality. Affirmation for the physical layer. I honor and nurture my body. My body is resilient, strong, and capable of healing. Next, we move to the emotional layer. This layer reflects our feelings, experiences, and the emotional energy we carry. Affirmation for the emotional layer. I am in tune with my emotions and accept them with compassion. My emotions flow freely and balance is restored. The third layer is the mental layer, the seat of our thoughts, beliefs, and mental clarity. Affirmation for the mental layer. My thoughts are peaceful and empowering. I release negativity and embrace clear, positive thinking. Now, let's connect with the astral layer, the bridge of love and connection that ties us to others and to the universe. Affirmation for the astral layer. I am open to love and meaningful connections. I radiate compassion and warmth to everyone I meet. Moving on to the etheric template layer, which holds our spiritual blueprint and the divine essence of who we are. Affirmation for the etheric template layer. I am a unique expression of the divine. My spirit is strong, and I embrace my true purpose. Next is the celestial layer, the source of our intuition and inner wisdom. Affirmation for the celestial layer. I am connected to my higher self and guided by inner wisdom. My intuition is strong, and I trust it fully. Finally, we reach the etheric or causal layer. This layer connects us to universal energy and the infinite nature of our soul. Affirmation for the causal layer. I am connected to all that is. My soul is infinite, powerful, and at peace. By speaking these affirmations, we gently bring each aura layer into balance. Healing our energy layers brings us closer to inner peace, strength, and alignment with our true purpose. Thank you for joining us on this journey of healing and transformation. Remember to revisit these affirmations regularly to keep your aura vibrant and healthy.